National Weather Service and Mountain Weather Service of no thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cook County and north central Texas, northwestern Benton County and north central Texas, Wise County and north central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 30 miles northeast of Alfred to 12 miles northeast of Alfred to 9 miles north of Alfred, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Alfred around 4:55 p.m., Decatur around 5:10 p.m., Bridgeport around 5:25 p.m., Boyd, Aurora, Cottondale, and Brisbane around 5:30 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.